Hello, hello, July 1. Wow, now is the weather of the July 1 in the afternoon already. Same as usual, I'm here down waiting for CC, the school bus, and now is the month of May. Okay. Yata sa kabila. Wala pa naman, di ba? Kaya maganda yung weather, mainit. Tingnan mo na yung kulay ko, mas lalong umiitim na. Dahil sa weather is very hot, kumbaga. Kumusta? Again, kumusta to the all vloggers and to the some vloggers that you're still helping to grow my small and beginner channel of mine and God's editorial. So thank you from the some blogger that you are still supporting and helping to my channel that we have. And thank you for the subscribers, thank you for the viewers, thank you for the supporters. Even you are not supporters, you are not viewers, and you are not subscriber, I wish that you can subscribe. If you see my regular videos and my my short videos, I wish that you give me time or try to open my videos and watch, and don't forget to subscribe and to support. That is a great blessings that what I have. Some that they are giving, they're open-minded and with love to watch and to support. Even we don't know each other, even we just connect in the social media, in the different of social media, in the YouTube company, YouTube founder, and YouTube staff, workers. Thank you for helping and to work and to do everything that us can do it. Okay, can make the best one. So thank you for my employer, to my Madam Anser, the family of Madam Anser, to CC, the friends of Madam Anser, the outside families. Thank you for the still support. Ayan, cleaner yan. That is still sharing their blessings to me and to all my families, to angkan sa hometown ko. Same as usual, I always repeating my message, just to see, because you are belong of the part of my journey while I'm working in this earth, in this world as a domestic helper. So thank you very much, Brad. Good luck sa mga plano mo. Kuya Kiking, good luck sa new life sa pag-enter mo ng college or in the university. And Karya, Kiki ay Kakay for your senior high school already, and to Ridsuna. So Ridsuna, good luck. Be best. Always follow what is your teacher teaching to you. Okay, and to all apo-apo sa tuhod, mga relatives, angkan, mga nieces that they're already have children, so to go in their school, and that we are belong in the different countries while they are still living in this earth, while they are going in their work. So thank you, and thank you so much talaga. Okay, so thank you and bye-bye. Hello, Sisi, how are you?